You can set how smooth your Avenger's animations are by choosing one of 3 FPS modes: Eco, Mid or High. Just keep in mind that the higher setting you choose, the more CPU intensive it gets. You can precisely tweak knobs by using right instead of left mouse button. Oscillator's noise is played with random phase. It is especially audible when you're using noise to make transient clicks. You can solve this by selecting phase lock function. Now we're getting the same click every time. By right-clicking oscillator's name, you can access a really handy drop-down menu. It allows you to copy chosen oscillator settings and paste it into another oscillator, initialize oscillator, or delete it. If you want to stop a sample from being played chromatically, just reduce keyboard tracking value to 0%. This way, sample will be played with its original pitch, no matter which note you press. Instead of using drop-down menus, you can change the value of the heading by hovering a mouse over it and rolling the mouse roll. It also works for oscillator sound sources.